Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned strawberry jam. First, select ripe, firm strawberries for the best flavor and texture. You will also need granulated sugar, fruit pectin, and a touch of lemon juice to ensure proper setting and preserve the vibrant color. Sterilize your canning jars and lids thoroughly by boiling them for at least 10 minutes. This crucial step prevents spoilage and ensures your jam remains safe to enjoy for months. After washing and hulling about 4 pounds of strawberries, gently crush them to help release their natural juices. This step is important for achieving the right consistency in your jam. While you're preparing the fruit, keep your sterilized canning jars warm in a pot of hot water. This prevents thermal shock when you add the hot jam, reducing the risk of jar breakage. Now, combine your crushed strawberries, 5 cups of granulated sugar, 1 package of fruit pectin, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring this mixture to a full, rolling boil over high heat, stirring continuously to prevent scorching. Boil vigorously for exactly 1 minute, then promptly remove the pot from the heat. This precise timing is key for proper jam setting. Carefully ladle the hot jam into your warm, sterilized jars, leaving exactly 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the rims clean, center the lids, and screw on the bands until fingertip tight. Process the filled jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes to create a vacuum seal. Let them cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.